Hello, this is Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com, and here is your social anxiety tip. So I am a social confidence coach and a former social anxiety disorder sufferer. In case you're wondering, hey, who's this guy giving a tip? And I've been interviewing tons of people: psychologists, coaches, psychotherapists, healers, scientists, best-selling authors for their best social anxiety solutions on my podcast. And you can find that in iTunes under Social Anxiety Solutions. And I've overcome my own social anxiety using a technique called EFT tapping. If you're wondering what that is, go to my website, Social Anxiety Solutions. I've also worked with hundreds of people for roughly 5,000 hours since 2009. Now, one of the tips that I'm going to give you today, I'm going to keep this under 2 minutes, is the idea that there's such a thing as failure. Right, so people try to overcome their social anxiety, and then things work, and things don't seem to work. Even if they learn a technique like EFT, which I use to overcome my social anxiety, and then they're like, "Oh man, nothing works for me. I'm a failure. I'll never overcome this. I'm a tough case. It's just not in the cards for me, etc., etc., etc." But here's a mindset I suggest. And I got this from my NLP training way back in the day. NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. It's a set of techniques and mindsets to go from a particular problem state to a particular outcome state. This is going to stay under 3 minutes. Let's not get crazy. And one of the presuppositions that they have in NLP is there's no such thing as failure. There's only feedback. And I'm on my way. Thank you. Bye. And yes, I learned that, and it was very helpful for me, because what it really means is when you try something and it doesn't instantly work, you'll get feedback on it not working. You can figure out, well, why doesn't it work? And then you use that feedback for your next attempt. So there's no such thing as failure, there's only feedback. When you use that feedback in your next attempt, you're more informed and you're more likely to succeed. So there's no way to fail if you actually keep going, if you keep learning. Instead of having the mindset of a victim, have the mindset of a learner. Hey, what can I learn here? All right, so that's my social anxiety tip of the week. Hope it's been helpful for you. If you want more of these tips, hit the subscribe button somewhere here in screen, or subscribe to my podcast, which you can find in iTunes under Social Anxiety Solutions, or by going to my website, socialanxietysolutions.com. All right, thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Next week, every Thursday, I release a video. Bye for now.